Now, Sarah, you're talking to a Van Halen fan here.
Are you? Okay.
I'm a purist. Eddie Van Halen.
Very cool.
Greatest guitarist ever. Number
Very.
one, we start there. Number two, can you name the album that song Jump was on?
I cannot because
good
I
Van
am
Halen
not
trivia.
a diehard fan like you at all.
It's okay.
So
Dive
I'll
her
just leave
down.
it to you. What is
In
it?
case it comes up, Dive Her Down.
All right.
Dive Her Down.
There you
Great
go,
album.
giving us something to look up for the weekend.
Exactly. There you go. It's a great album. Little Guitars is one of my favorites, and it's on that album too. All right, let's talk some weather. And I want to begin in an unusual way. This is not what I normally do, but this is an exceptional weather system on its way. So we're going to begin with the 14-day forecast. And I want to show you just how many days we have under weather impact alert. 4. 2 of the next 4 are the ones I really want you to keep an extra eye out for, and one of them is tomorrow. Saturday and Tuesday are the 2 that have the highest risk of severe weather. We've got a very good chance of precipitation in the next 4 days, but it's Saturday and Tuesday that we have the ingredients in place that could produce some dangerous storms. Don't forget, we changed the clocks. We go ahead 1 hour this weekend. And the exit, you know, this system is going to still produce a decent chance of rain Wednesday the 11th, and I hate to say this, but possibly Thursday the 12th. I know we need the rain, but I hate to say it because of spring break. We're moisture loaded. Every direction you're going to see nothing but cloud cover, and some of those clouds look pretty ominous and pretty dark, but we're not seeing much rain develop. It's a very warm afternoon with a good, strong south to southeast wind maintaining those high dew points. We're still in the upper 60s. Even the 70s waiting for us. We will drop a little bit on Sunday, and that could help just dry us out a little. But then we ramp right back up into the mid-60s as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week. All right, let's talk about live radar. All we've seen develop a few light sprinkles. I don't even know if we can call it rain. It certainly isn't measurable north of Hondo up towards Kerrville last couple of hours. So if you're heading out on Friday evening plans, I don't think you'll need the umbrella. It'll definitely stay cloudy. It'll definitely stay warm and humid as temperatures will stay in the 80s until probably 7:30 or 8 p.m. and then stay in the mid-70s all night. There's the upper level low. It's going to be poised back to the west of us all weekend, and then it doesn't kick out and go east of us until Wednesday. That's why we have those chances all of next week. With this low, you've got this conveyor belt of moisture available, and when you add in a surface boundary, now you've got the risk of the severe weather outbreak on Saturday, because that's when the front comes in. So the first model of the 2 we're going to look at side by side show us Saturday afternoon. I mean, not early. Early is going to be a lot like today. Cloudy, breezy, maybe an isolated sprinkle. But it's 4 p.m., according to the HRRR model, that we start seeing some thunderstorms develop, and those could get pretty good. Now, these storms are also expected to be pretty robust, and this is 7 p.m. Hondo down into Cotulla, Pearsall, edging up into the city, and then another round at about 1 in the morning Sunday. And then look at more rain developing, and this is 2 p.m. Sunday, a little bit more widely scattered. Now, the second model is not as optimistic on getting this rain. I mean, look at this. Here's the front, and it's a little bit later, not 4 o'clock, but 7 o'clock Saturday. So most of Saturday dry, and then even this is just a clip. And then the storms overnight. The computer models agree on that, with a pretty good active Sunday waiting for us as well. So over the next, again, 4 days, we're looking at very good chances of rain. It's going to be Saturday and Tuesday as the highest potential of seeing severe weather. Temperatures will be impacted on Sunday. You'll notice the difference from Saturday's 82 to Sunday's 68 for the high. But then we're cranking right back up to 80s as we get into spring break. And the rain chances, as I mentioned, going until at least Wednesday. We might have to move into Thursday, the 12th. On some data that I've seen today. All right, moving into the second half of our 14-day, we're holding with temperatures a little above average until the 18th of March, but we're going into a drier pattern mid-March.